Hello everyone, this video is about how to enable group policy editor in Windows 10 or 11 Home Edition. So if you're trying to access the group policy by using the command Gpedit.MSC and you're receiving the error message saying Windows cannot find, then please follow these steps. We need to open Notepad. So to do that, just go to search and type Notepad. And then we need to copy and paste this code, which will be in the description. Then we need to save this file as a batch file. So just go to file and click save as. And then in here, just type any name that you want, but make sure you type .bat. And then just select all files in here and click save. Once you created the batch file, then just right click on it and run it as administrator. You need to wait for this procedure to complete as it will take a bit time. So once it's successfully completed, then restart your computer. Then after that, just open up the run by holding Windows key and R on your keyboard and then type in there Gpedit.MSC and then just click OK. Then you will see activated local group policy editor on Windows 10 and 11 Home Edition. So hope this video was useful for you. Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.